Good morning, Indira Shah here. Today I want to show you how to make adai. Adai is an Iyer speciality. This is supposed to be very nutritious and high in fiber and protein. For this you need 1 cup of boiled rice. You can take any rice. I have taken boiled rice. And half a cup black urad dal. Okay? And that is then half a cup tuver dal. Half a cup chana dal. And few groundnut seeds and then red chili. Okay, this you have to soak overnight, wash and soak overnight together and then grind it to a fine paste, adding salt and asafoetida. Let me just show you. Here, after grinding, make it to this consistency, but not a running consistency. This is little thicker than the dosa batter. Okay, now I have kept a tawa here. Try to use as much as possible iron tawa. Okay, now let me spread this. Here I am using gingerly oil. Trust me, gingerly oil is also very good for health. So for adai I will be using gingerly oil, and it tastes also good. You can use any oil, but I prefer gingerly oil for adai and dosas. So allow this to cook. You can try this, certainly at home. You can feed your children and the family. This is very good for growing children and women especially. And especially the young girls, who are at the age between 8 and 12. It's very good for them. It gives strength to their bones. I'm not joking. This will be very tasty and very nutritious. I want all of you to make this. Here you can see the thickness. Okay, now let me just turn it slowly. And add oil again. This can be eaten with honey or with jaggery, or with butter, or with jaggery and butter, or with ghee, or just with sprinkling little oil again. So you can eat it with anything, or even without anything you can eat it without any side or dish. But chutneys and other things will not go well with this. I love it with jaggery. Jaggery is also very good for health, and especially for kids. Now let's see. Let it become crispy. Allow this to become crisp. Now I am putting off the stove. This is over. Let me just put it in a plate and show you. Here the adai is ready, crispy and tasty. Please prepare this and give me your sincere feedback. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press the like button. And do not forget to press the bell button for more notification, because I am coming up with many more videos on gardening and home front, home cleaning, and besides cooking. So thank you very much. This is Indira Shah with Vela. Bye bye.